smell of House of Rich. This tip is very simple, and with few ingredients you will be impressed by the smell that your home will get. To start today's tip, in a container, we will add coarse salt. Do not worry about the amount of any of the ingredients we will use. The duration of this product is up to a month, which will make it worth every amount. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Krishna Chaudhary from India. I am glad you are enjoying our tips. We just spread it all over the container, like this. Now we will use 3 tablespoons of alcohol, being the second item for this tip and responsible for exhaling the aromas used in this mixture. Once added, we will mix well. I'm sure this quick and easy tip will make your day-to-day easier. Even in the bathroom after use and keeping this tip active, I no longer suffered from bad smell, and even in other rooms after cleaning also keep this tip always ready. The main item of this mixture, and that will bring the smell that your home needs, is the fabric softener. Here I'm using concentrated fabric softener, but you can use whatever you prefer. I will use only 1 lid, which is equivalent to 25 milliliters, and we will mix well. If necessary, you can even increase the amount of fabric softener. If you prefer, this tip also works perfectly also using disinfectant. Whenever we add, we will mix again. This tip works so well that whenever I receive visitors, my visitors ask me what the secret is, because I have this mixture scattered throughout the house. I use it mainly in the bathroom, thus avoiding bad smell. If you prefer, you can even use different fabric softener smells for different rooms in your home. By the use of coarse salt, all the softener and alcohol will stay active all the time in this tip. The last item I will use in this tip will be cloves. In addition to bringing a great aroma, they help spread the smell of fabric softener and also prevent the entry of insects in your house. I am sure that these items used together will be the solution to keep your home always clean and fragrant. For sure, all visits will notice the great aroma all the time in your home. Thank you for watching this tip so far. See you in the next video. Bye.